Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin at My Activity. Google.com, sign in with the account that stores your video history. First, check activity controls and confirm web and app activity plus YouTube history are active so you can edit them. Once done, use the filter icon to narrow records by date range or product. This saves time. You'll want to decide whether to remove everything or only selected entries, because deleting selectively prevents losing unrelated search records. Now you'll remove the unwanted videos. Use filters to show only YouTube watch or search activity, then tap the three-dot menu beside each item to delete. If you need a thorough sweep, choose Delete Advanced All Time to remove everything. Make sure to enable auto-delete and pick an interval to stop future buildup automatically. Also, clear local browser cache or app cache on devices to avoid remnants. This helps sync the cleared state across your devices. Finish by pausing YouTube history to keep new videos from being recorded and double-check other devices where you're signed in. If you use the YouTube app, clear its cache, and if needed, sign out to force a fresh state. If deletions don't appear right away, make sure syncing is enabled and give Google a few minutes. Sometimes cloud changes take time. If issues persist, try removing items in an incognito window or resyncing the account. That usually resolves stuck entries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.